Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Stock Buddha. Sorry guys, I was not available last week for some personal reasons, but I did tell two stocks to watch on, that was Sundial and Bingo, and they did show some bullish movement last week, and I'm glad few of us were able to grab it and swing it around to make a couple of dollars. So we all know, like, we have been in a roller coaster ride for last whole month, and now the tech plays we were in has been beaten down. The whole tech is beaten down and it is trying to recover its own way. It's being slow, but then I want to bring in, guys, a perspective like how the market is going to play. If you have seen or watched the stock market closely, you might have seen while the tech is down, it is actually a good time to buy, but patience is the key. And then if you don't want to wait that much, then you should be focusing on, like, what is the sector where people are going to put money next. So we have seen financials running up very high. JP Morgan is running high, Wells Fargo, everything. But then there is something you need to be taking as a precautionary note, like when financials has run so high, there's a moment where it's going to stabilize or might pull back a bit. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to watch the banking stocks, the financial stocks, before getting into it. But there is another sector which is going to be a boom because all the stimulus money has come into the accounts. They are being transferred into the brokerage accounts now, and people would be betting on something which is entertainment and travel industry, guys. So all these things we are trying to refocus, like how we can pivot out of few other plays which are not doing so good and which might have done good, and we want to book profits and then re-enter into something else so that we can rotate according to the sector rotation. And then we will also keep around our tech plays as well. So we are going to mix and match the things up so that we can see a growth. So guys, if any I am able to help you guys in any way, and if my videos are helping you, please do like and subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, and those who are new to the channel, please go ahead and grab some few shares with the link below. And those have been reaching out to me for the Discord group. So guys, we have started a new Discord group because the thing is, there are many alerts, there are many things you need to learn. It's not just the ticker I give and then you should not do anything and just go ahead and invest money. That's not how the investing is done. Investing is done when you actually know what you are doing. So before that, you should be knowing, like, people ask me how to do options. I'm okay, I'm ready to go ahead and do that options play with you guys. I'm okay, but you need to understand. So what we have come into an agreement, like, okay, there is a Discord group which is given in the link below. You can find the link of the Discord group in the video, and it would be looking like something like this, where you can, here, if you see, let me just enlarge it. So okay, so if you see here, you have different channels where we actually say, okay, what are the alerts we have to give. Then we have the members who can chat, then we have the penny plays as well, and then we have the stock education, which I am more concerned about. So we have all the documents which you need to go through ahead and then refresh yourself. Once you do that, you are able to understand the plays more, and then you are able to catch up why we are into such a play and what you should be doing. You will be able to make your own decisions, and that is all about the game. You have to understand, as an investor, you have to play as an investor, not just a tip taker and just invest some money. That's not how the stock market works, and this is something I'm trying to do for you guys. So I hope you to join the link and go ahead with it. Try to read the documents and get some knowledge about it, and then probably it will help you in the place. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and look into the portfolio, how we have done, how it has been deteriorating since 1 month, uh, and how it has recovered. So let's go into the Webull account, and let me enlarge it for you again. Probably this is okay, fine. So if you see here, Okay, so as I was talking about bingo, first bingo guys. So bingo has been trying to push up again. We saw it at a low of like below $6 also when the market came down, and I'm happy for those who have grabbed it. I grabbed at 7 again in my accounts, different accounts. But those who have been able to grab it, just go ahead and ride. It's going to 15s very soon. That's what I predict. So let's go ahead and look at the account. So here, if you see here, we were down to $4,555 when the market was crashing down, and we did nothing. We just waited and waited and waited, and it has recovered again to $6,339 right now. It was up, but on the Friday it again came down a bit. But that's not the point. The point is like you are in right place. You have just to wait with the patience and then swap your positions a bit here and there so that you can still make money. And then let's go ahead and see for the new place which we are trying to do. So guys, before that, there is one more thing. I am hearing about the Zom thing. The Zom has some negative news in the market somehow because people are pressurizing it, like it's not actually able to contain the maximum market share of the PETFA with the new drug Truforma, if you see here. And then there are a few competitors which are coming to it. So you might see a stop, not exactly permanent, but a temporary stop on the flow of money into Zom. And as an investor, I would actually pivot out of such place and then wait for the right time to get in, probably at 1.7 or so, because future prospects of Zom is very good, but I don't want to get in and hold for a long time when I see there is no movement in the stock. So we'll take the profits, move out. So those who are like into high ends, those who have taken high ends, then I would say like sell half and then just add it at the bottom price again so that you can pivot it out of the play. But those who are in profit, I will say like at 2.25 you should be getting out of this play. That is what I see it will be trying to break. Okay, so with the new plays here, if you see, I have on Friday taken a GE call. So why GE? GE is like a mutual fund, anything, because GE is again a provider to for the Airbus engines and all that stuff. And there are many more aspects to GE. So when the market opens, the travel industry opens, you are going to see a heavy upside in the scaling of GE stock. It's very undervalued right now. So I don't think it's going to go to 20s very soon. But when I have a time value of January 22, if you see here is January 21st, 2022, and I have taken a contract for $20, that means I have a time. Now what does that mean? If you go ahead and look into how the option works, I have told in my fourth or third video where I was saying what are the different parts of an option, like theta, vega, and all those stuff. So you should go ahead and see how the equation is and what it makes, so that even if it is not $20, it is reaching like $15 or $16 well ahead of time, you still make much more money. So right now you can go ahead and grab like five or like invest $200 or $300 in this particular play. That's what you can hold it, and you are not going to hold it for a long time. Whenever you see a profit of 20% or so or 30% of so, just get out and then reload again when it dips down. So that is what you are going to do with GE. Another swing play which for this week I am suggesting is AMC, guys. You are seeing that the GameStop is not stopping, and there is going to be a crazy week. What I see is like we are done with the bearish thing. Now there is a bull run because the quadruple witching is done on 19th of March. So from here, I see a bull run around 15th of April. It cannot, it can be just a trap, a bull trap, but we don't care. We have to ride with the flow. The trend is your friend, right? So we'll just go ahead and grab the things which we want to fly with. So AMC is one of them. I see like it is at 13s right now, and it can go around 19, 20 or 21. Depends on the flow and depends on how Reddit users do it. That is what I am visioning. So what we can do is like we can cash in some quick buck. We have lost a lot of things in the market. This is the time we can recover. And I'm going with an option play there, and that is risky. So those who are okay to do a risky play, go with the options. Those who are not, go ahead and grab the shares according to your purchasing power, and from there you can just sell at like 17, 18, whatever you want. You should be just always saying like, okay, anything above 20%, so a profit, you can just grab it. So let me go ahead and see what AMC play we are going to do. Here I am trying to calculate in the options calculator, which I mentioned earlier in my videos. You can use this, it's a free website to track like how your options will be performing with the theta decay as well. So here it is, 13.83 is the current price, and I am targeting 9th April 15th call. Why 9th April is right now here we are sitting at this one. We have 1 week, 2 week and 3 weeks out. That is more than enough if you are actually thinking it's a bullish movement. You don't need uh, a leap. And again, that's why it is risky, and I warn you. But if you want to earn something quick buck and you are okay to lose around $200, this is the play you should be going with. So here is like $2 is the premium, like $203. And what I predict is $20. If she shoots up within like next week or so, we make like $600. So it's like $600 profit almost. I mean, sorry, $400 profit. $600 would be the total value of your option. So I am not going to be like so much positive, like, yeah, it's going to be 600, but what I think is like we are going to make around 100% profit here with this play, and it's a risky play. So do your due diligence before entering this one, guys. Okay. And then another one is Airbnb. So guys, I want your suggestion in this one, because we are into a era where vaccinations are being done till May. President Biden is saying like we will be doing all the vaccinations. People will start going out, and Airbnb will be one of the place which is going to shoot to the moon. Now I want you guys to comment it here, like, do you as a family want us to go ahead on Airbnb? And what we will be doing is Airbnb will be doing a covered call. What is a covered call? We'll be discussing in the next videos. But if you agree to that, then we will be doing Airbnb calls and then sell the calls against it to get the premium, so that at the end of the day we will be actually getting our premium back and writing the free call. So how we do that, how it happens, all those stuff you can see and find in the Discord group in the document section. So do join that as well, and let me know in the comments, do you guys want me to go ahead and pick up Airbnb? And last but not the least, guys, APXT. So there has been a lot of speculation and things, but the time is very near. I see people are worried about APXT, and those who are in options for April 16th, I understand that. I have few options of April 16th. I have options of July as well. So I'm not much worried about it. Even if I lose on April 16th, I'm not going to sell it right now, because if I lose and the things turn around, I will make that thing up in the July calls. That's how you do it. You can play the same strike price at different days, and then those who have shares, just sit on your shares. If you want to add on an average dollar average, that do go ahead and do it. And once it starts movement, it's going to be go to 19s or 20s, and there you can just go ahead and book your profits, move out. We can see the how the long run again is going to pull back a bit, and then again we'll be analyzing it. Okay, when it settles down again after the hype, sell the news, which is we actually call it. Once that happens, then what we are going to do is like we will re-enter this place, because this if the merger happens soon enough, this play in the long run is a good stock to have in your portfolio. So that should be all, guys. Let me know in the comments if you need any advice on anything, or you want me to look into any other stocks as well, and how much you have performed, how is your performance for this whole month, how you have lost and how you have recovered, whatever thing you want to discuss, or if you have any questions regarding anything, just shoot in the comments so that I can take that question in the next video, guys. And that should be all. Keep investing and keep rocking. Have a good day.